Alright, we're going to have a nice painting here. You can see I'm drawing some tree leaves on the top like this. So it's going to be like the wave pattern. So you can see the cloud formations on the top. So it's going to show the leaves of the trees on the top. Just simple brush strokes and you can see the leaves is going to be very nice. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to draw a person which is just walking by, and this is the lower body part. Okay, and hand on the left side you can see here. Okay, and another one on the right side, and their reflections you can see just something like irregular shapes, the reflections. Okay, on the ground. And another hand maybe on this side. Okay, few parts I'm going to put here. Some trees, as you know, we are going to see on the other side. So this white border, it defines the on the other side of the jungle. So some trees are nicely visible, some are partially visible. So we're going to put some solid steps so that we can see the other trees here. Okay, as you know, the people here, they are carrying an umbrella, so we're going to put a color like the umbrella. That color is going to be very nice. Main purpose is that it's a bright daylight, so because the sunshine is very heavy, so putting the umbrella here. So the shape is getting nice. Okay, this one, okay. So that's the thing. All right, and just putting the few lines here so that you can see the reflections of the trees is on the ground. Okay, some reflections you can see here, like it's not the regular, but you know, the blurred presentations of the trees on the ground just falling here. Okay, so few trees have that kind of reflections here. And now we're going to take the white color just to ensure the quality of the reflections in a very nice way. So let's take the color and putting the white strokes above the reflections. You can see. So that shows the irregular context of the trees on the ground, defining very nice definitions of the shades. So each painting style has its own characteristics. This is a different characteristics of the shades. Okay. All right. So as you can see, it's a total presentations. Two person walking in the jungle and going forward, and some trees you can see near and some trees you can see in a far way. That's the idea, and it's all greeneries all around it. So this is a nice painting. Thanks for watching, and please do practice at home as you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.